Once again, welcome back to Lone Star Grillz. Today's recipe starts with a teriyaki marinade, which is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of your favorite steak sauce, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Stir well to combine, reserve about 3 teaspoons in a separate container, and then set aside. Up next, we're adding 1 medium sliced onion in a small, well-oiled skillet. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and your marinade. Now mix this together well to get everything fully coated. We'll be doing today's cook on the Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker, the cooker that offers offset quality results with the convenience of a pellet smoker. Preheat to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to give these onions a head start. Go ahead and get them on while we head inside and make our burger patty. To form our burger patty, we're using a 4.5-inch baking ring over parchment paper, along with some fresh, never frozen 80/20 ground beef. The best way to form a perfect patty is to tear that ground beef up and just place it into the ring, then gently press down to form the patty. Apply just enough pressure for it to take shape, but no more. This is what will prevent the burger from puffing up during the cook. This baking ring will allow us to make a nice, thick, hearty burger. It'll be about 1/2 pound in size. Now that we have it fully formed, we're going to infuse this with some teriyaki flavor. Grab a toothpick and poke some holes about halfway down through the burger. Don't go all the way through, just about halfway. Now we'll pour that reserved 3 teaspoons of marinade on top of the burger patty, remove the baking ring, pat down the edges, and allow that to sit for about 30 minutes to soak up that delicious teriyaki flavor. Our onions have been going about 45 minutes to an hour, and they've begun to caramelize perfectly. Add a couple slices of pineapple, slide them aside, and get your burger patty on. Then close the lid and begin cooking. Allow it to cook until it gets within a couple degrees of your desired finishing temperature. We're going for a medium today, and it will take us roughly 40 to 45 minutes to reach an internal temperature of about 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to toast your bun and add some cheese. We're going with white American, but you can use your favorite cheese. Just close the lid and give that about 2 minutes to melt. Now you can build your burger with all those sweet and savory flavors from the pineapple and the teriyaki onions. Trust us, this is an amazing recipe. Just take a look at these results. We appreciate all your comments and likes as they really help support the channel. We really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.